Imagine a law or rule that no longer exists. The word abolish means to end something completely. It's powerful because it shows change in progress. Abolish means to officially end or stop a law, system, or practice. It is used when something old or harmful is removed. Some learners confuse abolish with delay or pause. But abolish means to end something for good, not temporarily. Common patterns are abolish slavery, abolish an outdated law, and abolish the death penalty. It usually takes a direct object. The government decided to abolish the old tax system. Many countries abolished slavery years ago. Activists want to abolish single-use plastics. The school abolished uniforms last year. A small town had an unfair rule. People met to ask leaders to abolish it. After many talks, the rule was abolished, and everyone felt freer. Think of abolish as breaking a ball apart to stop it rolling. Abolish means to break or stop something forever. Now you know abolish means to end something completely. Try using it in a sentence today.